Good morning, children. Here, Sabuni ma'am is back for which class? For English grammar. Today is Monday, and so we'll be having grammar class. Last time I have sent you all the pics to fill up the names of different places, and you'll hope you all have completed all your work. And in nouns, we were doing nouns chapter. We came to know about the names of the person and places, and today we are going to do page 30. It's all about the things. Okay, children? Page 30. Basic grammar, page 30. Yes? Today we'll do exercise 1. Please pay attention, listen and follow. Then it'll be easier for you to understand and solve it. Yes? So here I explain. Read these sentences. Write the names of the vegetables, things, flowers and fruits in the blanks. So here are the sentences we got to read and we got to pick up the names of the things. It's clear to you all? Now we are going to pick up the names, select the names of all things that we see around us. Yes. So first sentence has been done. Still I'm reading out. The bucket is full of water. So in here, you on the sentence, underline the bucket and water, and you copy those two words at the side. Got it? Next, question 2. In between question 2. Now, here it is. I'm going to read. Rohan bought a pair of shoes and a shirt from the market. So here we find Rohan is the name of a person, shoes are the things, shirt is also a thing, and market is a place. So from here we have to take out only the things names, pick out the only things name. So on exercise 2, students please underline the shoes and shirt and copy them at the right side. It's clear to you? Question 3, number 3 sentence. Mr. Harish has a car and a motorbike. So Mr. Harish is a person, but we got to pick up the name of the things. So underline the car and motorbike, because car and motorbike are the names of the things. Now number 4. My pocket is full of chocolates. My pocket is full of chocolates. So pocket is a thing because you have it in your pant or on your shirt. So pocket is the name of a thing, and chocolates are also name of the sweets. So underline pocket and chocolates and write those two names at the side. So number 4, pocket and chocolates. Number 5, the rose and the lotus are beautiful flowers. So rose is the name of a flower, it's a thing. Lotus is also the name of a thing, flower. So let us pick up, underline the rose and lotus and write their name at the side. Number 6, the carrot and the cauliflower are vegetables. So what are the two names of the things? Vegetable is a thing. So what are the two names? It's carrot and cauliflower. So underline carrot and cauliflower. It's clear to you? And write down at the side. Number 7, the books are on the shelf. What are the things we find here? Books and shelf. These two name, underline and write it at the side. Number 7. Now number 8. There are papayas in the refrigerator. Papaya is the name of a fruit. It's a thing. And refrigerator is a machine where we keep things. So it is an object. So in that case, papaya, underline papayas and refrigerator and write down the side. Number 9. Comb. Comb your hair with a comb. So comb your hair with a comb. So first comb is not a noun. First comb is not a noun. It's a verb. It's a doing word here. So hair and hair with the comb. So here the comb is a noun. And hair is also noun. Be careful, children. Do not underline the first comb in sentence number 9. Here is saying to comb means to do. To comb your hair is to do that, do something. So first comb is not a noun, so don't underline it. Your hair with a comb. So hair and with a comb, those two are nouns. So you write down at the side. Number 10. There is some sugar in the jar. So sugar and jar are the name of two things. Jar, sugar and jar. Underline and then write. Now look at the pictures and name. They see there are pictures at the down below. That is exercise J. We got to see the pictures and write the name. First picture, what is the object here? What is the thing? It's a hairbrush. Yes. Number 2, it is what? It is a comb. We comb our hair with. Number 3, soap. To wash our hands with soap, we put it on the body, face, soap. Next is drum. You play to play the music. Yes, beats. Next is flute. You play flute. Number 6 is a picture of a stool. Number 7 is picture of your hand. Number 8 is a picture of a radish. Number 9 is an onion. Number 10, kettle. Number 11, it's a fruit. A very juicy fruit. Summer we eat, that is watermelon. When you cut, inside is red. Yes, outside is green. Number 12 is the boat. Number 13 is a picture of an aeroplane. Number 14 is the helicopter. Number 15 is scooter. So I explained you this page and I'll give you the snapshot of this. You can see and write it down. Exercise K. Exercise K, see, look at these pictures. The names of given things. Here all mixed. Here we find the name of places, name of things, name of animals and name of persons. Here all the pictures are mixed. From here we got to select and write down according to there. Here at the down is given name, animal, things and places. So from the pictures you pick up whatever the people name, you have to write the people names here. Whatever the animal's name, you select the names of the animals and write it down beside it. Things, you pick up the thing's name and write it down on beside things. Places, you pick up and write the place's name. So here, see people, what are people here? See, we can find the name. First picture we find the tailor. Yes. Then on the next row, we find the postman. On the third row, we find the plumber. Then these three are the person's name here we find. Now animals, see what are the pictures of animals are given here. On the first row, we got a puppy. Then we got a monkey, second row. Then one elephant pig. Then on we come to the 1, 2, 3, 4th row. We find the picture of a pigeon, then a camel. So altogether, how many animals' names are there? Puppy, monkey, elephant, pigeon and camel. So 5 names are there for the animals. Now things. What are the things here? In the first row, we got a spoon. Second row, we got a picture of a telephone. On the third row, we got a picture of a book. Then on the same row, we got a picture of an umbrella. Then we come down, we got the picture of a tomato. Then you come down, you can see it's a bench, last row, bench. And then what? Sheep. Got it? And the last of all heading is the places. We're going to find out the places. First row is a shop place where people go for shopping. Then we come down to the third row. There's a picture of a temple where people go to worship. Then come down to the next row, that is 4th row. We find kitchen. Kitchen is a place where we cook food. And on the last row, we find a station, railway station picture, see station, and a hospital picture. So, altogether places names are shops, temple, kitchen, station, and hospitals. So, children, today I have done these 2 pages. And I'll give you the snapshot. Please do it, okay? And on the next class, we'll complete page 32 and 33. So till then, bye. Take care. Rainy season has started. The weather is cold now. And don't wet yourself. Stay safe. We'll meet on the next class. Okay? Bye.